Hi everyone, and in this video we are going to see how to install a specific Angular CLI version. And as I found most of the time people used to search how to install a specific version, and most of the time they used to find that they came across that the same command that install a Angular latest version, and they hardly get any command just to install a specific version Angular. So they get stuck and they don't get any kind of guidance. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to install a specific CLI version. And into this video, you're going to understand how to install a specific version, how to install latest version, how to install Angular latest version, a specific version locally. So please be with me and just see this video from start to end and you'll get the everything. So please let's start. And this video going to be a short, so just bear with me for 4 5 minutes. Yeah. So whenever you want to install Angular CLI, so if you want to install a latest version, maybe as you know, Google releases Angular version mostly twice, two version every year. So at that time mostly two versions get updated. So whenever you type this command, at the top one you can see in the red line, you can see npm install g Angular CLI. So it will by default, it will install you the latest version. This both command, it will, if you will give latest, if you will not give, it will going to install the latest version which is available, which is released recently by the Google. So you cannot install a specific version by this command. So this command will going to install that latest versions only. So if you want to install a specific CLI version, because I mean to say, suppose you came across that in the Angular specific CLI version there are some issues related to some patches has not been updated and there are some issue, and you want to go with stable version, in that case you cannot go with this latest version. So in that case you should go with this lower command, npm install g Angular CLI, and here you can specify your version. After specifying your version, you just click on enter and that version will be going to be installed. So no headache, no worry. Okay, so this is how you can install. So if you now I'll tell you one more thing, one more difference is that what is G is a globally, what you are saying globally. You just don't want that Angular CLI to be installed for specific project. You want that Angular CLI has to be globally installed, and whatever you project make, that everything should be on that platform, that Angular CLI version. In that case, you install Angular CLI on global platform. So this is the G command. So what you can do, you can just copy it, or you can just take it, and just suppose I'm doing this. So you just type it and you have to just type this like this. Actually, I'm not going to do this because already I have installed Angular CLI version. So if you can see Angular V, so you can see, just give me 1 second. Yeah, if I see ng version, so now you can see that I have installed Angular 9.1.2, and right now you all everybody knows that Angular 10 has been released, but I have installed specifically Angular version 9.1.12 for my convenience. So this is how you can install. If you want to install a specific latest version, you can. If you want to install a specific version, I have done like the same installation like that, so you can also install that specific version. So this is how you can install, and after that, after the successful installation, you can just check ng version, and then this should be shown. This should be shown. If it is not showing, there is some issue, just check with the environment variable whether it has been set correctly or not. Just check it, and after that, if it has been successfully installed, it will be showing these things like that. So I hope you got the idea. And suppose if you want to install the specific version for the specific project only, so in that case what you can do, you can install npm Angular CLI locally. In that case what you can do, you can just open your project here and you can type that same command. You can type the same command here, just like that. You have to just copy it. Okay, just copy it and just paste it here. Okay, so if you can just paste it here, and you can just this Angular CLI version will be specific to this project only. Okay, so for this project only, suppose you are working on some project and that project is lower down on some 8 or 9. In that case you want some kind of packages and JavaScript library for that version. So in that case that will be helpful. So I hope you got the idea. Yeah. So I hope you got the idea exactly how to deal with a different kind of Angular CLI and how to install a specific version, how to install a latest version. So I hope guys you have got the detail, you got the idea how to install a specific version, and please let me know if you have any doubt, and please share if you like the video. Please share with your friend and subscribe my channel. Thank you.